Hello everyone, myself Dr. Ravi Agrari and you guys are listening me on KSG India online platform. See, DRDO is a very important organization for India, especially for defense sector. DRDO was established in 1958. Even today, around 52 laboratories of DRDO set up in India for the different type of developments. And these all the development was especially not for military purposes. A part of military purposes, DRDO also involved into space research work. DRDO also involved in the medical perspectives. Even DRDO also involved for agriculture purposes. Even DRDO also involved for water purification, etc. There are many purposes where DRDO involved. But the main important role of DRDO, especially for missile development work, especially for military purposes. After the settlement of DRDO, many projects brought in India with the name of Indigo, with the name of Devil, with the name of Valiant. These all the projects even came during 1960s, 1970s. But every project, especially for the missile development program as a surface to air missile program, that not become successful. Project Devil was partially successful, but not completely successful. A very important program that government brought in 1983, it was IGMDP program. An IGMDP program, that full form is Integrated Guided Missile Development Program, it really given a strength to our defense sector. Under IGMDP program, those brought in 1983, here 5 types of missile India made a target to successful by the year of 2007. These all 5 missiles abbreviate with the name of Patna. Patna here P represent as a Prithvi, A represent as a Agni, T represent as a Trishul and represent as a Nag and A represent as a Akash. Prithvi and Agni as a surface to surface missile. Trishul and Akash as a surface to air missile. But Nag, it is an anti-tank missile. Against coming tank and means tank, you people can use this Nag. Nag have a many other alternative names. Heat seek missile. It follow heat. Even those tanks are coming, enemies countries tanks are coming towards you, that tanks creating a lot of heat in the surroundings. It follow path of heat. This is the reason it is called heat seeking missile. Nag is a very important missile for India. So in that way guys, India even planned to develop 5 missiles under IGMTP. But one thing should be clear, this all the missiles are ballistic category. There are 2 nature of missiles, one as a ballistic and second is a cruise. Ballistic missile always go in parabolic path. Parabolic path means it every moment of time it will change their own atmosphere. One time it is going to upside and then later on it will go downside. So every moment of time up and down means atmosphere is going to change. But cruise missile, it always go horizontal to the surface. For the horizontal nature of war, if you want to use any missile, so it will definitely cruise nature of missile. Many of the cruise nature of missiles, even India also developed. Some even developed with the help of other countries, just like BrahMos. And some India directly purchased from the foreign countries. So in that way, this is a different types of missiles, those India developed. Even to save and secure our country against enemy nations. DRDO even also playing many other roles. Even nuclear medicine sector, DRDO also involved. Even many of the radioactive elements, DRDO is doing a lot of work in this. And through the help of radiations, DRDO involved into different type of treatments against many hazardous diseases. But DRDO is really is doing a tremendous job guys, and that will help to India, especially to make our India safe and secure. I hope this brief introduction about DRDO will be helpful to you. So thank you everybody. Have a good day.